Happy V-Day, you guys. Well, it is the Friday before V-Day, and I just want to say Happy Friday. And I hope all of you guys are enjoying this fantastic rain shower that we are having. So I wanted to put together a quick little Valentine's prelude to the V-Day extravaganza, you guys. So start off with a quick little cup of coffee, add your creamer, and then you want to add a chocolate bomb to your coffee. You guys, this is going to set the mood leading up to your Valentine's Day. You want to do little things for your sweetheart a few days leading up to the V-Day. And this is one of the things that I wanted to do to my honey bun, the huckster. And so I took out this little decorative heart tray and I added some marshmallows and chocolate candies. I'm also going to add some strawberries later on. But I also have a marshmallow chocolate filled lollipop that's here. And I'm going to set the mood with this cute little bouquet that I made in my DIY. Check that video out if you haven't already. Now, with this chocolate bomb, you're going to serve that to your honey bun as soon as you put the chocolate bomb in. And as he's sitting there, he's going to see it and watch it explode, you guys. Now, once it explodes, you can do whatever it is that your heart desire with this coffee. And for me and myself, you know, I'm the coffee connoisseur. So, of course, this is a little plain for me. And I would just go ahead and add some extra to make my coffee a little bit more dramatic. I like drama. So I decided to add a little whipped cream, and then I wanted to sprinkle some of these pink and red hearts all over the whipped cream just so he can know how much I love him. And so once you do that, you can always top it off with one of these cute little heart marshmallows. Now, you can also put in a praline stick and maybe drizzle a little caramel on top if you want to do that. But this sets the mood, you guys. I think it just sets, it's a prelude to the Valentine's Day extravaganza. So try to do little things like this each day leading up to Valentine's Day for your loved one. I'm sure that they would enjoy it. It not only says honey bun